Chapter 11, Emotional Resonance, the key to captivating audiences. Ahoy, copywriting champions! In this transformative chapter, we're delving deep into the realm of emotional resonance, the secret ingredient that turns ordinary copy into an unforgettable experience. Prepare yourselves, for we're about to embark on a journey of discovery, where we'll uncover the mysteries of emotional resonance and learn how to wield its power with mastery. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is emotional resonance? Well, my friends, emotional resonance is more than just a fleeting feeling. It's a profound connection that forms between our audience and our message. It's that moment when our words strike a chord deep within the hearts of our readers, leaving them moved, inspired, and hungry for more. But fear not, for emotional resonance is not some elusive treasure hidden in a far-off land. No, it's a skill that anyone can cultivate with the right tools and techniques. So how do we cultivate emotional resonance in our copywriting? It all starts with understanding our audience, their hopes, their dreams, their fears, and their desires. By tapping into the emotional core of our audience, we can create copy that speaks directly to their hearts and resonates deeply with their lived experiences. But understanding our audience is just the first step. We must also craft copy that is authentic, empathetic, and relatable. Whether it's through storytelling, imagery, or language, our copy must reflect the genuine emotions and experiences of our audience, creating a sense of intimacy and connection that transcends the page. And let's not forget the power of empathy, the secret weapon in every emotionally resonant copywriter's arsenal. By showing genuine concern for our audience's needs and desires, we can forge deeper connections and earn their trust and loyalty for life. But remember, my fellow resonance seekers, emotional resonance is not just about making a splash or eliciting a reaction. It's about forging lasting connections and inspiring meaningful change. We must always act with integrity and authenticity, ensuring that our words and actions reflect the true value and benefits of our offerings. So let us set forth on this noble quest, my friends, armed with nothing but our empathy and our unwavering commitment to making a difference. Together, we'll cultivate emotional resonance in our copywriting and create experiences that resonate deeply with our audience. Are you ready to unlock the power of emotional resonance and captivate the hearts and minds of your audience? Then let's dive headfirst into the sea of emotion and emerge victorious on the shores of connection and understanding.